every semester I have to do a production assignment. So I have to work on a show in some design capacity. And Rhonda Weller-Stilson approached Amber and said, hey, we have this event and they want to hire someone to do the costumes for it. Like, do you have anybody? Could you do this? Like, what do you think? And Amber said that I was the first and only student that she thought of that could do this.
She thought I would be a really good person to do the hair and makeup specifically for it, and that Emma Wedden would be doing the costumes for it. And she knows that we have worked together before and that we know each other and that it would be a good fit.
The Wizard of Oz is like a very, very important story to me. I love the movie, love the book. So obviously when they announced that they were doing Wizard of Oz, I was over the moon. I was so excited. When we learned Munchkinland, they're like, we have to do this at the 150th. And this energy of that scene in particular, I feel like really encapsulates what we're trying to bring to the whole show. So we're really excited to be able to bring like that like capstone iconic number and show it off at the 150th celebration.
So I immediately went and started doing research, especially for the older decades, the 1800s through like the 1920s. But once I kind of had everything pulled, I was able to go through and start trying to cast people. They come in, I have the clothes pulled that I want them to try on, and then I'll take notes on any like alterations that need to be done, whether it needs to be taken in or have something added or removed or whatever it is. And then, I'm able to give that information over to Joseph so that he can do the hair and makeup design for it that'll match with the dress and the person's skin tone and all of that.
It just makes me really proud of all of the work I've done here and all of the classes I've taken and every kind of step I've made. It is definitely probably the biggest thing I have ever done in my life. I'm really proud and honored, to say the least, to do all of this and be able to have my name attached to this big event for forever.
It's just like such a great bookend to the chapter in my life, to be able to tell this story to the people of Cape Girardeau and to the families that come and see it is very, very special. We're excited for people to see all of the hard work that not only the actors, but also the stage management, the design teams, the production teams have all put into this, and just the beauty of the whole show coming together.
It's my last thing at SEMO. It's my last thing in my entire educational career, so it's like kind of a big deal. But I'm very excited and it's going to be really amazing.